Welcome to Learn Yourself. In this video, we are going to learn some of the important concepts from the chapter number 5, Lines and Angles. So let us start with our very first topic, that is complementary angles. Now, what are these complementary angles? When two angles will be there. Here I have given you the example that there are two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 has a measure 30 degree, angle 2 has a measure 60 degree. So when we will add these two angles, it should be 90 degree. Then they are said to be complementary angles and they are complementary to each other. So angle 1 plus angle 2, it should give us 90 degree together. Then only they are said to be complementary angles to each other. So when the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. So angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. Second is supplementary angles. Here there are two angles, angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 has a measure 50 degree and angle 2 has a measure 130 degree. So here angle 1 plus angle 2. So addition of these two angles will give us measure of 180 degree. Then they are said to be supplementary angles. So when the sum of measures of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary angles. So these 2 points are very easy to understand, and it says that when you are adding the measures of two angles, when it is 90 degree, they are said to be complementary angles, and when their measures are giving you the addition answer is 180 degree, they are said to be supplementary angles. So basically when they are asking a question that whether these angles are complementary or supplementary, you have to add those measures and you have to check whether it is giving you 90 degree or not, or 180 degree or not. If it is giving 90 degree, then it is complementary. If it is giving 180 degree, then it is supplementary. Even if it is giving 89 degree, 91 degree, 179 degree and 181 degree, they are not complementary and supplementary angles. It has to be 90 degree and 180 degree. Now let us learn about adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means the angles which are adjacent to each other. Now there are certain conditions. If these conditions are fulfilled by these two angles, then they are said to be adjacent angles. So adjacent angles have a common vertex and a common arm but no common interior points. Let us understand these three conditions. We have a figure over here in which angle 1 and angle 2 are there and they are said to be adjacent. Why? Because they have a common vertex. Now what is a vertex? Vertex is this. So this O point is said to be vertex. Now they have common arm. If I'll give a name to this, then A, B and C. So here you can see that OB is a common arm. This arm is a common in between AOB and BOC. So these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 have a common arm, that is OB. So yes, they do have common vertex, they have a common arm, and the third one is non-common arms are on either side of common arm. So this is a common arm OB and non-common arms are this OA and OC, which are not common in between these two angles. They are on either side. Either side means they are on both of the side of this common arm. So basically they have a vertex, common vertex, that is O. Then they have a common arm. This arm is common in between this angle and this angle. So OB is a common arm. Now we are talking about non-common arm. So this arm and this arm is non-common and they are either side. Either side means both the side of common arm. This is common arm and at either side they have non-common arm. So this arm is not for this angle and this arm is not for this angle. That's why it is non-common. So if two angles are fulfilling these three conditions, then they are said to be adjacent angles. Now linear pair. A linear pair of adjacent angles. So adjacent angles only are making linear pair whose non-common sides are opposite rays. So here at this point, that point O is there, AB line and OC line. Now these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, these two are said to be linear pair because they are adjacent angle. The first condition is they should be adjacent angle. So yes, they are fulfilling all the condition of adjacent angles. They are adjacent angle. And second, non-common sides are opposite rays. Non-common sides means this. They are opposite rays. As you can see, they both are going in either direction. So they are opposite rays and the angles in linear pair are supplementary. As you can see that these angles, they are forming a straight line together. So the addition of these two, when you are adding angle 1 and angle 2, they will give you 180 degree in total. So that's why they are called supplementary. So linear pairs measures is always 180 degree. Linear pair angles, they are adjacent angles, and second, they are supplementary. So these two conditions are for linear pair. Vertically opposite angles. Now these two lines are there, line AB and line CD. They are intersecting with each other at one point and I am giving point O. When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. Now here four angles are being formed. As you can see, this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So if I will make and if I will draw a figure like this, then it will be easy for us to understand and then we will come back to this original figure. So this is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Now these two lines, suppose line L and M are intersecting with each other at point O. So vertically opposite angles. Here you can see two angles, angle 1 and angle 3, they are vertically opposite to each other. So angle 1 and angle 3, they are vertically opposite angle. So in short, we are telling them VOA. So vertically opposite angles. Now similarly, on the other side, as you can see that angle 2 and angle are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles horizontally. So angle 2 and angle 4, they are vertically opposite angles. Now the condition is that vertically opposite angles, angle 1 and angle 3, they will be same in measure, they will be equal. So angle 1 equals to angle 3 and angle 2 equals to angle 4. So they are same in measure. That means if angle 1 has a measure of 60 degree, then angle 3 also will be 60 degree. Angle 2 is 50 degree, then angle 4 is also a 50 degree, like that. So vertically opposite angle. Here also you can see that 3 and 4 are vertically opposite to each other and angle 2 and angle 4, they are vertically opposite to each other. So vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself.